2.
Would you like to make more money?
Always.
I see you wearing that Ben Hustlin hat, and I feel like I have a really exciting money-making opportunity for you.
Okay.
Cryptocurrency is an exciting new investment opportunity. I exclusively get my advice from 13-year-olds on the internet and also my grandpa. And that's how I know this investing opportunity is legit, is when my grandpa and also my niece can give me trading advice. So now that I have you buttered up, I have this promotional video that I'd like to share with you.
Okay.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, Bitconnect?
Okay, so are you ready to give me your money yet, or do you need to see more?
Hey, hey, hey.
I think for me, as a selling point, that opens and closes the deal all at once. Dude in the back is like, is this guy really the best representative for our company here? Do you know how to tell that you're participating in a scam?
It starts with,
Hey,
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 hey.
hey. What's up?
That's how you know to walk out.
Thanks for watching.